Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to viewers on OneSpotMedia.com. This evening, the murder of a drug kingpin and music promoter and fears of possible reprisals. Owen Father Fowl Clark was gunned down by bikers at a party in Kennecott St. Andrew last night. TVJ's Krista Campbell has details.
Roy Fowl, or Father Fowl, the aliases of 62-year-old convicted drug lord and music promoter Owen Clark, seen here on one of several videos being circulated on social media of his last event, a party held in Kennecott St. Andrew on Friday night. But the fun would be short-lived, as not long after, about 11:50, two bikes drove up, a driver and pillion on each. Shots rang out, and Father Fowl was the only victim. Patrons attending the party could be heard on video exclaiming that there could be reprisals for his murder. By Saturday afternoon, news that 6 men were shot and killed in Coburn Pen, St. Andrew in reprisal. Police say it's fake news. Still, they're keeping a watch on things even as investigations continue into Father Fowl's murder. The 62-year-old was released from a UK prison a few years ago after serving 11 of a 13-year sentence in 2004 for using the music industry as a front to run a massive drugs empire. Clark's hold on the international illegal drug market spanned at least 5 countries. He reportedly led such an elaborate lifestyle that he boastfully burned £50 notes, drove a supercharged Mercedes motor vehicle, and owned a string of properties in Britain and the Caribbean. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.